Introducing the Surfboard, the remote control that makes channel surfing as easy as a day at the beach. The Surfboard is designed to simplify the things you do most often with a remote. Turn on your TV, adjust the volume, and channel surf. The Voice Interactive Surfboard uses 21st century technology to let you control your TV, cable, or satellite receiver right out of the box, at the touch of your finger or the sound of your voice. You can even use the Surfboard's innovative, interactive learning system to control most any type of consumer electronics. The Surfboard's unique design is easy on the eyes, easy to hold, and easy to use. Surfboard's large buttons and comfortable design make it very convenient to use, but that's just the beginning. The Surfboard lets you control your entertainment equipment using the sound of your voice for hands-free convenience. The Surfboard comes preset to understand several easy voice commands right out of the box. Surfboard. Power. Surfboard. Channel up. Surfboard. Previous. Notice how the lights also respond to the sound of your voice. That lets you know that the Surfboard has heard your command. The Surfboard always wants to hear a key word before you say your voice command. This keyword gets the Surfboard's attention so that it will not respond to conversation in the room. You always know that the Surfboard is listening for the keyword because the blue light is on. Your most commonly used buttons are located on the front of the remote within easy reach. And if you like, they can even talk to you.
Channel up. 1, 3.
The Surf button gets you to your previous channel. And the unique Surf button can even be set up to go to all your favorite channels. Let's say you like movies. The Surf button can be programmed just to surf your favorite movie channels.
Favorite channel.
Surfboard. Favorite. Surf HBO, Showtime, Cinemax with just the touch of your finger or the sound of your voice. Less frequently used buttons are located on the bottom of the Surfboard. The sound button turns talking buttons off for silent operation.
Sound on. Sound off.
The Surfboard's unique help button is revolutionary. It assists you in ways no other remote control can approach. The help button is what makes the Surfboard so easy to set up, learn, and use. Using the built-in help, you may never need to refer to the user's manual. The help systems do it all. Setup and operation. Learning. Voice command. Favorites. The help system makes your setup a snap. You can set up the Surfboard for your home entertainment devices by searching through its extensive library of built-in codes. Or better yet, you can search only for your brand of entertainment device. A real time saver. Surfboard's unique interactive learner makes it easy to add additional buttons or control even the latest electronics. The Surfboard help system talks you through the learning process. With the learner, you can add new button functions or add a new device.
For help programming your TV, press 1. For help programming your cable or satellite box, press 2. For help learning from another remote, press 3. You have 0 learned buttons programmed. Press the button on the front of this remote onto which you want to learn. 1. Line up the 2 remotes, then press the button on the remote you are learning from. Good, you have 1 learned button programmed. Press the button on the front of this remote onto which you want to learn.
Learning from another remote has never been easier. You've seen how you can control the Surfboard right out of the box. But to tap the real power of the remote, you will want to use Surfboard's powerful voice recognition system to program your own voice commands. Set up Surfboard to perfectly match your viewing habits. You can program all your favorite channels by name. No need to remember channel numbers.
Train, say a word.
ESPN.
Repeat.
ESPN.
Press the buttons that you want to use for this voice command. Press train to finish. 3 button accepted. 6 button accepted. Push another button. Voice command assigned.
The Surfboard will always ask you to repeat the voice command to be sure it heard what you were saying. Any command you like in any language. Be sure to speak naturally, clearly, and consistently. Surfboard. ESPN. Remember, the Surfboard always wants to hear a keyword before you say your voice command. This keyword gets the Surfboard's attention so that it will not respond to conversations in the room. You always know that the Surfboard is listening for the keyword because the blue light is on. You can use the built-in keyword or you can program your own. For example, let's see what happens if I program the keyword to be abracadabra.
Shift. Train, say a keyword.
Abracadabra.
Repeat.
Abracadabra.
Keyword assigned.
Abracadabra. ESPN. When the Surfboard hears the keyword, it will briefly mute your TV while it waits for your command word. The Surfboard remote is stylish, unique, easy, and fun to use. It has talking buttons and allows you to customize your remote. The Surfboard is smart and lets you control your TV, cable or satellite at the touch of your finger or the sound of your voice. The Surfboard is designed to make channel surfing as easy as a day at the beach.